Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. Today's idiom is not playing with a full deck. We're going to look at three things: its meaning, its practical use in sentences, and of course a few synonyms and or some parallel expressions. Before I continue, I want to tell you why we should learn idioms. 4 reasons. 1, it's grammatically complete. It's a complete bit, a chunk or sentence. You don't really have to worry about the grammar bit. Second, it's very precise. In other words, you have a situation, you put this idiom in that situation, and the listener understands what you're saying. Third, you talk less and say more. And fourth, it is normally humorous. So you sound very interesting. You use idioms and they generally bring a smile to the listener's face and they start listening to you more sharply. And second thing I want to tell you is do watch the video right till the end, because throughout the video I give you a lot of expressions, a lot of chunks that actually enhance your speaking skills. The idea is not to teach you English grammar, but to help you speak English, to express your thoughts clearly. So watch the video right till the end and pick up all those small chunks that appear right through the video. Right. So let's start with these sentences here. Now, before that, I guess we need to look at the meaning. Now, playing with a full deck could mean one of two things. One is the person is very clever, very cunning, and he is not consistent with fair play. So a related idiom on that will be, he's got a few cards up his sleeves. So when he sees that he's losing, he'll take those cards out and lay it on the table, and he wins. So he's not playing with a full deck. That's one way, not very popular way though. The second one is a popular meaning, somebody who's not present completely. So another expression would be, he's not all there. Part of it has gone out elsewhere. If you remember the previous idiom, he's out to lunch. So maybe he's physically there, but mentally he's gone somewhere else. So he's out to lunch. He's not playing with a full deck. That's the same meaning. So let's see how to use it in a sentence or two practically. Imagine a situation where your sister or brother tries to explain a concept to you and you don't understand that. They try to explain and you're like, I still don't get it. And then what do you think? Either your sister or brother's very brainy and you feel more smart, or you say, she isn't playing with a full deck. Now look at this at a negotiation table. You find the other party giving you a lot of things, more than what you expected from the deal. And you think that they are being unfair to themselves. And you say, either they are too smart for me to understand, or they're not playing with a full deck. It means maybe they're giving too much now, more than what I thought they would give, and more than what they should rationally be giving. Most probably because they are going to, take it out from me at a later stage, at a very advanced stage of this contract. Once we started working together, then they start demanding their pound of flesh. That could be the reason that they are offering so much more upfront, which means they are smarter than me. Or they are foolish. They're not playing with their full deck. Now here's another one. A teacher telling about the student to another teacher. Look at the stupid way in which he's written his answers. They are not related to the question. I think he wasn't playing with a full deck. The answers are completely unrelated to the question. Not playing with a full deck. Now let's see what a student might say about his teacher. Look at the homework that our teacher has given us. I think he wasn't playing with a full deck. It's so tough, and he hasn't taught us these things. He wasn't playing with a full deck. Or the teacher was talking, I think, rubbish. He wasn't playing with a full deck. I didn't understand a word of what he said, and he was very incoherent. I'm not, surprised if teachers say students say like this about their teachers. It isn't a bad thing after all. Teachers do need to be pulled up in some cases. So these are some of the practical uses. Okay, I'll give you another one. A friend consoles his friend. Okay, his friend is kind of sad because the boss chided him, or maybe his girlfriend kicked him out. And so his friend is saying, don't really feel bad about the hurtful things that she told you. Maybe she wasn't playing with a full deck. It could mean maybe she had something up her sleeve. Or maybe she was absent-minded. She had other things in her mind. Just wait for things to cool down, go back, and see, maybe she's going to turn around and say sorry. Maybe she doesn't feel as bad towards you as you think she does. Now let's look at a few synonyms here. We saw the previous one, out to lunch. The other ones could be insane, loco, crazy, nuts. Say, are you nuts to talk like that? Or he's nuts to talk like that. I think the boss has gone loco. Paranoid, idiotic, unhinged, cuckoo. Cuckoo, yes. I think he's gone cuckoo. This is part of that movie called One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, which is all about mentally challenged people. So he's cuckoo. Or he's sick in the head. That could mean one of two things. Either he is mentally challenged, which is not a good thing. He's under medication or needs medication. Or he's sick in the head and he says all things that are not really acceptable in a civilized society. So he's sick in the head. Or wacko. He's wacko. So these are some of the things, not necessarily mentally challenged. So you could use all these words to say that some person is mentally challenged. But like I said in the previous video, try not to use these words. They are abusive words when you talk about mentally challenged people. As a humor, this idiom goes a long way towards projecting what you're trying to say, your thoughts. But beyond that, it's bad. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.